How to find your PayPal account ID. What's up everyone? Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to be telling you guys how to easily find your account ID in PayPal. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. On that note, let's jump right in. So the first thing that you want to do is open up any web browser on your laptop or your phone, and here you're going to search for paypal.com. Now just click on login and enter all of your login credentials to log into your account. So once you have logged into your account, your homepage should look something like this, and if you have verified your account or linked a card, all of your account details will also be shown right here. But if you want to find your account ID, what you need to do is simply tap on this gear icon and it will take you directly to the settings menu. And on your settings menu, you will have account security and all of these different tabs. You just tap on account, and once you get here, if you scroll down, you will find your name. So if you tap on change name, here you will get an option to change your name, but if you have linked a card, you will find something called username. It usually starts with @ and once you do that, once you click on it, it will show you your username, and that is your PayPal ID, which can be used to make transactions, send or receive money on your PayPal. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.